my advice to all of us is that when we were in FCT with Malam, I remember when he was leaving, 2007, he gathered all of us, just like we're talking to each other right now. Unfortunately, few months after, things changed completely. Some people that we thought they were our friends conspire to make sure that they send him out of the government, not only the government, out of the country, through blackmail, witch hunt, and persecution. Unfortunately, they were almost succeeding because they have to conspire with the people that were working with us at that time, our so-called friends. Those that Malians single-handedly got them appointed, not in FCT, but even within the presidency. So that is why sometimes I'm not always excited when I happen to find myself, because Malam destiny, I kept telling him, he's someone that has a very complicated destiny, helping everyone, but sometimes people abandon him. And that is the reason why most times I keep telling them, whenever I find myself addressing the public, I keep telling them, look, please, we have to understand that Mala is someone, I've never sat with him for a day since I've met him, trying to, looking for a way to buy a house or to buy a car or to do something for himself or his family, but doing for every other person. So that's why the other day I was telling he is generous to everyone, but not to himself. And I always pray, and I want all of us to pray, that all of us that have worked with Malam and benefit from him, we should remain faithful to him, remain loyal to him, and we should always strive to protect him, because we know the truth. We know who he is. Nobody can tell his story except those that work with him. That is my advice. Lastly, I can say that I'm a very lucky person, because although Malam kept saying he's not going to come to Kaduna, he's not. That's why I give an example of my investment in Dubai, where I forced him to go and borrow money. I have no doubt in my mind I will also force Malam to come and help me, because Malam, more than anyone in this country, not in Kaduna State, wants me to succeed more than anyone. And if anyone thinks he lost me or wants me to succeed more than Malam, the person is just a joker. That is the fact. Finally, I thank you very much, and I wish you good luck. Thank you very much.
Thank you.